Welcome to Sweet Life Beat Life. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will explain how to center disc brakes. First, slightly loosen the two bolts that mount your brake caliper to the frame or fork. This allows the caliper to move freely. Next, spin your wheel and carefully observe the rotor's position relative to the brake pads. Then, gently squeeze the brake lever and hold it. This action automatically centers the caliper over the rotor, ensuring even pad contact. While still holding the brake lever firmly, carefully tighten the two caliper mounting bolts. Alternate between the bolts, tightening them gradually to ensure the caliper remains centered. Once both bolts are secure, you can release the brake lever. Now, spin the wheel again and listen closely. There should be no rubbing sound, and the rotor should spin freely between the pads without any contact. If you still experience rubbing after the initial adjustment, don't worry. Simply repeat the entire centering process from the beginning. Sometimes it takes a couple of attempts to get it perfect. Also, take a moment to visually inspect your brake rotor for any noticeable bends or damage. A bent rotor will always cause rubbing. Finally, confirm that your wheel is securely and correctly seated in the bike's dropouts. For a more precise adjustment, use a flashlight to illuminate the gap between the pads and the rotor. This helps you visually confirm even spacing on both sides. If your rotor is slightly bent, a rotor truing tool can help straighten it, but be gentle. Remember, proper brake centering significantly improves braking performance and reduces noise. Check the description for a link to the Echo Dot smart speaker and other great deals to upgrade your home setup.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.